Bisexual basket case. I was sent to set the world on fire and piss on all your graves. I tried to hate myself with my death smell, but all it did was send me to vain. I'm no role model, so who the fuck let their kids listen to me? I hope, like I wish I'd never been born. I bury bodies under the floor. Silence, and I try to speak out. Silence is all we agree on. Yeah, I'm problematic. You can call me a problematic. Give a mentally ill man a mic and expect him not to be rapping. The cord around his brittle neck. Just wait to see what happens next. You'll see me on the nightly news. Maybe then my label sets, and you'll see how I'm doing. Once they see numbers moving, I'm glorifying self-harm. Now I'm really just moving. I'm on a path to self-destruction. My hole's 5 feet deep. Let's count all together, kids. One more now, follow me. Like I wish I'd never been born. I bury bodies under the floor. It could be in silence, and I try to speak out. Silence is all we agree on. I'm so sick and fucking tired of feeling this way. I'm so sick and fucking tired of feeling this way. I'm so sick and fucking tired of feeling this way. I'm so sick and fucking tired of feeling this way.